today with Chris Foret, trucking, and his daughter Avery. And he has a Mack truck. What year Mack is it, Chris?
It's a 2000 Mack RD.
2000 Mack. What kind of engine horsepower?
It's got a 460 with a 10-speed transmission, 390 rears, air ride.
Air ride, all right. What you do with it? I know you do construction work.
Oh, yeah, we haul the dirt, asphalt, just typical dump truck work.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how long have you had the truck?
I've owned the truck for 10 years.
10 years?
Yes, sir. Bought it from a guy out of New Orleans, and he bought it from the original owner. It was B&W Construction out of Slidell. Used to pull a dump trailer. And
that guy had some clean trucks.
Yes,
I remember back in the day. Yep. All his aluminum polished and everything.
The truck was originally red, pulled a Travis dump trailer. And when I bought the truck 10 years ago, it was already yellow and white.
Okay.
Basically a bone stock truck, and it was in good condition. I just cleaned it up really well. And
it had aluminum wheels on it?
It had aluminum wheels and everything. It wasn't polished out. The truck had been sitting for like 5 or 6 years before I bought it. Yes, sir. Yep.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, I picked the truck up. The guy had it sitting, cleaned it up, polished it up, and went to work. Just been chipping at it ever since, changing different things, painted it up, changed it up a little.
I know when I see you on the road, sometimes I try to get my phone when I'm sitting at an intersection. I try to catch you cutting across, but sometimes I can't catch you. Sometimes I do. I try to post pictures of it on the internet. I've seen the banana wagon.
Yes, sir.
Of course, it's yellow. That's why it's called the banana wagon.
Yes, sir.
That's good. Yep. Good-looking truck.
I appreciate it.
And I know you work it. I see it, so that makes it even better.
Out in the dirt, the mud, whatever it takes to make a paycheck.
I've heard you on the CB with horror stories, talking about job sites going in and out, raining and missing work because of the wet. It comes with the business.
It's all part of the game.
Yep.
All part of the game.
What's some updates you've done lately on it?
I put the 18-inch bumper on it. We put the drop visor on it. Added the roof lights. Changed all the lights on the dump body, the watermelon lights, and all the visible lights on the truck, all matching watermelon lights.
Well, it's a good-looking truck. I know because I see it a lot.
Oh yeah, appreciate it.
I know you take care of it. You come from a long family of truckers, right?
Oh yeah, yes sir. Trucking family. Dad's a trucker. Grandpa was a trucker.
He just lost his grandfather a while back, Mr. Allen. The old truck I knew his grandfather real good.
Grandpa.
Yep. And who we have right here? That's Miss Avery.
This is the boss lady.
That's Miss A-Train.
That's A-Train.
The girl.
Yes sir.
That's your little girl.
Yes sir. That's my daughter. Pride
you ever ride in the truck with Dad?
Yes sir.
That's good. You got to keep it going some kind of way.
Yep.
How about the engine? I mean, any overhauls that since you've had it?
I've overhauled the truck probably 2 years after I bought it. Overhauled the engine, put a clutch in it. Other than that,
your dad drives also.
Dad drives also. Yep. He's here somewhere walking around.
I think your dad, he's drove the same Mack dump truck since 1977.
He bought the truck in 1980, I think, or 81. It's either 80 or 81, but the truck's a 78.
Drove the same truck.
Still trucking.
Still trucking. I think he just got the air conditioning fixed in it. After all these years. He's a tough old guy. Yep.
Put the 2 windows down and ride.
That's right. That's old school. So what do you do at the end of the week when work's done? You put it on a slab, pressure wash?
Wash it up, polish it up, get it ready for the next work week. Any maintenance needs to be done. We go
greasing
it up.
Always in dusty conditions.
Oh yeah. Blowing out the air filter, things like that.
Does A-Train ever help you?
Yeah, every once in a while she'll come out in the yard and put a little soap water on it.
That's good. Anything helps. Anything you put on it. Yep, that's good.
Usually she won't come outside.
That's good. Yeah. Little girl. That's Daddy's girl. Let her do what she want to do, I guess.
She's the boss. So
we watched her grow up on the internet, on Facebook, so we know she's been around for a while.
Oh yeah, everybody knows that she don't realize.
A little comic, that's for sure. All right, Miss Avery, what's the best part about your dad's truck?
Mostly just being able to spend time with him.
That's good. Spend time with Dad. That's good.
Yeah.
That's the answer we all wanted to hear.
Oh yeah. Yep, she'll get in the truck and ride just to hang out with Dad. If we hadn't had a weekend together or something, and I got to work, she'll come.
That's good.
Tag along and spend the day.
Yep. So, Chris, what do you think about this year's turnout at the event? You think Miss Patty is excited?
Yeah, man.
I'm glad. This is the show that they've always wanted.
Yeah, it's a great turnout, man. Good to see new faces, new trucks, and see all the old friends and the things they've changed in their trucks over the years. It's been nice, man. Awesome show. Everyone should come check it out. Absolutely.
What you think? You think you're going to do good at the event? You think you're going to beat me for the 3rd year in a row?
I don't know, man.
I think you will, yes.
No, I'm in a different class this year, so.
Yeah.
It's been a good time, though, man.
That's
good
good.
time.
Yep.
And most of all, we get to hang out with
Yep.
the little
Family
ones.
time. Yep.
Yeah.
With your friends.
Friends.
I'm here for my friends just like you.
That's right.
I don't need a trophy to have fun with my friends.
Man. No,
It helps, but hey, man, I'm good.
the trophy's bragging rights, but the memories are worth
That's
a
right.
lot more.
Exactly. You can't replace that.
No,
Yep.
sir. Not at all. Not at all. Most of all, everybody, I don't have a show truck. And if that's what you think you need to have to be here,
Yep,
you
that's
get
wrong.
the wrong opinion of it.
It's a working truck show. All right, Chris. I appreciate you spending time with us over here, coming to the truck show. You and Miss Avery, A-Train,
Yes,
a.k.a.
sir.
A-Train. And the next year, we'll see you again next year.
Absolutely,
Lord,
man. Good Lord's willing, we'll be here again. Absolutely.
We'll be out here again getting all dirty, cleaning them up, man. We'll see
yeah.
you out on the road back by the house.
Oh, yeah, no
No
doubt.
banana
man.
wagon.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
No problem, bud.